this music video feels. Can you say hello?
Hello!
Growing up and visiting zoos and aquariums, I would see how happy the animals and the trainers were when they were working together. And that's when I knew that I wanted to work with animals for the rest of my life. I'm lucky to work with a great team of animal trainers and staff here at the show, all who truly care for, love, and respect all of our animal stars. On behalf of everyone here at Universal Animal Actors, we hope you have a great time and enjoy the show.
And now, please welcome one of Hollywood's top animal trainers, Julia Gazzo.